Friends, here is the sound of air. So uh, I cannot miss update because of this. So I made this video in that sound. So my friends, I was talking about ideas in the English language. Let's take an example of library. Every Imagine two libraries. One has just 10 books while another has 10,000 books. Now tell me which vocabulary can give us can give us more information. Exactly the library which has 10,000 books. Our mind is like the same way. Whatever we any knowledge, it depends on how much English speaking practice we give to our mind. We cannot give output without giving input. If we are giving a lot of input in the form of speaking, listening, or reading practice, it can give us a lot of ideas in the English language. Without giving inputs in English language, we cannot give better outputs. Do you know which biggest mistake every student did? What is this? We just first think in our native English, then try to translate it into the English language. This way, in the process of translating, our mind get confused and looks like that our mind is blank of ideas. And many students think if I will speak, I will make mistakes. So that's why most of the students can't speak. Now take an example of a baby. When it born, it try to speak. Even he don't know what I am saying, but he don't leave practicing speaking. So we can take the example of baby and we can follow that same strategy to speak English language. So the first technique is I'm going to share. This is don't translate from your native language to the English. Directly connect your ideas with the English language. Like if you are looking for something, just describe it into the English language. Not first in Urdu, then English. I can give the simple example. If you are looking a chair, don't first say this is kursi. Say this is chair. Direct in English. Don't try to translate in the English language. Let's move to the second solution. What is this? This is very simple. Everything which you can see, just describe it in English just for 5 seconds. How I can give example? Look at this mosque. Now I am going to describe it in the English language. It has two colors, blue and white, and it has 3 tombs, and it is a place for Muslims to worship. It has a white door, and I can see a lot of things. So this way we can describe each and everything. Understand? Let's move to the third technique. That is very simple. Be commentator of yourself. Be commentator of yourself. Everything you are doing, just describes it in English language. Like I can give example of myself. I am making a video in English language and describing how to get ideas in English. This way, everything which you are doing, just describe it in the English language. Let's move to the fourth tip, that is most important and last. Observe everything which you want to get ideas. Everything is opportunity to get ideas. I can give example of this pen. It is a blue pen. It uses everywhere in the learning places like schools, colleges and universities. Every student and teachers use it for writing something. So these ideas I don't remember. I just watch and get ideas. This way you can get ideas from everything. So my friends, this was our third day, and please don't miss our fourth day. And if you found this video helpful, please share and subscribe and leave a beautiful comment in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Meet in the next video. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.